Hi everyone. Today I am going to teach the topic for you is linear equation, right? So today we are going to learn the topic linear equation. So before that we must know what is an equation. What is an equation? Any expression whenever you are equating to 0, that is called an equation, right? So if I am taking the expression ax plus b I am equating to 0, so this is called a linear equation. So now we see why we are telling this a linear equation, right? Because here the degree of this equation is 1. I am taking this equation as a degree only 1, that is the highest power of an equation is 1, that is called linear equation, right? So and also we can call this equation is linear equation with one variable, because here I am taking the variable is only one, that is x alone. So we are telling this is called linear equation with one variable, right? So now see what is the solution of this equation. So what is the solution of this equation? If I am solving this equation, ax equal to, if you are taking plus b, go that side, minus b, and x equal to minus b by a, this is a solution of this linear equation, right? So now can we check why we are this is satisfying this equation or not? Can we check? Instead of x, if I am replacing minus b by a plus b, so a cancel out, minus b plus b, that is equal to 0. So definitely it's obviously this this satisfy this expression, sorry, this equation ax plus b equal to 0, right? So now I am telling one example. If I am taking 2x plus 5 equal to 0, so this is the format ax plus b equal to 0, right? So this is obviously it is called a linear equation. So what is here a? Your a is 2, and what is your b? Your b is 5. So what is the solution of this equation? Without doing this we can tell the answer, right? So minus b by a is the solution. So here what b is 5 and a is 2. So what is the solution of this equation? Minus 5 by 2. Can we solve here? So 2x equal to minus 5 and x equal to minus 5 by 2, right? So this is the solution of this equation. So note it down here. Here a should not equal to 0, right? So a must not take the value 0. If a takes 0, we cannot define this x, right? So definitely a must not be 0, and b can take any value, right? B can also maybe 0. B can take b, or b maybe any constant values, and b can also take 0 also, right? For example, if I am taking this equation, if I am taking 3x equal to 0, so here what is your a here? A equal to 3, and what is your b here? Here I am taking b equal to 0. So what is the solution of this equation? X equal to b by a, that is 0 by 3. 0 by 3 is obviously, so minus 0 by 3, so obviously x equal to 0. So 0 is the solution of this equation. So this is also a linear equation example, right? But any constant term alone is not a linear equation. For example, if I am taking 5, it is not a linear equation, right? Because here no variable is there and no equation format is there. So constant alone is not a linear equation. In this format is called linear equation, that is ax plus b equal to 0 is a linear equation. Now clear? So next video we can see linear equation with two variables, right? Thank you all. Kindly subscribe my channel, please don't forget.